Habau Menteri Rangba u Conrad ke sangma ringkat bat ke kinhun Menteri Cabinet kilalit chingo ha ka arpulai terik unai wing ya kilong yeng ki baladu e ki bait bathon ha ki ktang suloi jong ki pulit Assam lakhang linti bat pedyangi ki de ki pat ba ki balabitar lep halor ke jingsha siat yap sangut ki breu ke Shillong Mukroh ha ka arpu ar terik unai wing. Menteri Rangba ulabatai hakipat ba sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam kila minjur ban pa thokit ya kani ka jingja ha ka National Investigating Agency NIA ne ha ka Central Bureau of Investigation CBI. Ula sa mar sanlak tingka shikilong ying ke beladu no ya ki mensim breu. Ulayt huru ba ka arpu sautrik naiwing unlit ka ang shikitendong skor jang menteri ki kampo yeng kari India u Amit Shah halor ki jingja ha Mukroh. Uloong ba ka sorkar Assam kalasdin ringkin ya ki pulit bat ki pulit pahara klau jang ka West Karbi Anglong district. Ya USP lepin kenria mardor na ka syuki trekam hakani ka district.
I first of all would like to express our deepest condolences to all the families who have lost their dear ones. This is not just a loss for the families or this village, but it's a loss for the entire state. And we are here to tell you that as a state we are grieving with you in this time of sorrow and this time of loss, where the government has decided to cancel every function, has decided to cancel every festival, any kind of program that is there. We have decided to cancel all of them just to show our solidarity with all of you. And I want to assure you that we are with you in this very, very difficult time. We have come here today to, of course, meet the family members, but also to meet all of you. Because we know the people of this area have been suffering for a very, very long time. And knowing the suffering that the people have been having here, we know that the root cause of all this problem is the border dispute. And that is the reason why in the last year and a half, as a government, we've been working proactively to ensure that we are able to resolve this border issue. And that is the reason why in the last year and a half, as a government, we've been working proactively to ensure that we are able to resolve this border issue. As you have mentioned yourself, Mr. Chairman, that this government in the past has taken concrete steps. We didn't just promise. Every single person who's sitting here are members of this committee. Barenik, our Deputy Chief Minister, Preston, Bakirman, Masnyoba, all of them have been members in the committees which resolved 6 areas of differences in the border, which was never done before. This in itself is showing you that we are committed to resolving this. And yes, this area is slightly more complicated, but our commitment is equally strong to resolve it. Let me assure you that. And therefore, we will find a solution.
From my side, as a young child, sir, I don't have nothing to say, but the only things I want is please retransfer our area to Meghalaya. That is the only way to secure our people. Otherwise, there is no way. As long as this border issues is still on process, we will be facing again and again the suffers. So from my side, the only request is that to retransfer all the Khasi villages, that is 36 villages we have in the Block 1 area. So please let all those 36 villages to be in the Meghalaya, in the state of Meghalaya.
Kani hingga jin sa su yo la ko mujia di ni chuma